Hello mga Jaconatics and mga ka-Engoo dyan. So ngayon ay pagpapatuloy natin yung ating tutorial on how to file your income tax return. First, you need to check first if you're using the latest version. On the upper right side, makikita ninyo yung offline eBIR forms package version 7.9.2.1. How to check? Just go to bir.gov.ph and then there you can check kung ano yung latest version nila. Alright? So, dito, so I want to use eBIR service. I-click nyo lang yan. And then, after that, you will be, again, routed into this page. Just look for eBIR forms. Okay? Ganyan. And then, look for the form below. Ayan. So, ayan. Alright. Now, to download the offline eBIR forms, hanapin nyo na ito. That's version 7.9.2.1. Okay? So, parehas ng version na ginagamit natin. If in case hindi, just click it here. And then automatically, it will be updated into your system or into your computer. Alright. Now, let's go back to the filing. Okay? So, we have here the profile. First, this is actually not my first time anymore. So, whenever I input the taxpayer identification number, automatic na lalabas yung mga details. Alright? So, 00 lang yung ginagamit ko, guys. This is for training purposes. Alright? Then, automatic. But if it's your first time, you need to fill up taxpayer identification number, RDO, and then your line of business. For your line of business, look for your COR. Okay, makikita mo yung line of business and then you type it here. In my case, that's other business activities. So, yung nakalagay sa COR. Then, of course, your full name here, and then your address, zip code, telephone number, and then, of course, ito pinaka-importante dito is your email address. Alright? Now, look for the form 1701A. There you go. Alright? And then, you need to click fill up. Alright? And then you will be routed to the form. So, this time, again, item number 1, no, very important, marami nagkakamali dito. So, kasi that's the current year. So, you were filing for 2021. Okay, that's very important. And then we have amended return. That's no. If amended return, you just have to click yes. Okay, like for example, nagkamali ka in the figures. And then if it's a short period, no. Nag-yes ka lang dito. Like for example, if you want to cancel your registration. Alright, now part 1 is the background information. So automatic, kung ano yung sinave niya sa information, lalabas na yan. Tax identification number, the RDO code, and then tax type, professional, I use professional. And then of course, income from profession, 8% IT rate. Of course, ando na yung name, yung address, yung zip code, and then yung birthday, kailangan mo lang ilagay yung iyong birthday here. So, say 1999. Alright, now your email address, and then your citizenship is of course you're Filipino. And then wala tayong tax credit. And then 14, wala tayong foreign tax number. And then contact number. And then your civil status, you just pick. And then, yes, kung may income din yung spouse mo. And then if you're joint filing or separate filing, sa amin, separate. Then item number 19, automatic, yun na siya, nag-click yung 8%. Okay, when you click number 7, alright? So, automatic na siya mag-reflect na siya dito. For part 2, later, i-discuss ko ito because everything that you will, fill up in page 2 will automatically be updated here. Alright? So, mamaya na yan. So, part 3, details of payment. So, hindi na tayo naglalagay because we will be paying it online via GCash or other forms. Okay? So, hindi na natin ito magagamit o papifill upan dito. So, let's proceed immediately to page 2. So again, page 2, this is part 4, computation of income tax. Never mind 14A, 4A, because this is for graduated income tax rates. All right, proceed immediately to 14B for 8% income tax rates. All right, now, item number 47, in your books of accounts, kung mayroon kayong makikita na service revenue, i-total nyo lang yung for the whole year 2021. Okay, like for example, for 2021, umabot ka ng 300,000 annual income. Alright? So for sales returns, allowances, and discounts, wala naman masyado ito kasi hindi tayo bibigyan ng discount, hindi tayo nagre-return. Okay? In my case, sa Engoo, so wala. So net sales, item number 41, it's just the total. And then other income, 50 and 51. If you have other income from non-operating income, so you can also put it here. And then 52 is just the total of 50 and 51. Item 53, total taxable income. The sum of items 49 and 52. So that's 300. In here, item number 54, you just place the exemption. This is our exemption, 250,000. Okay? And then item number 55, ito na yung taxable income mo. So 300 minus 250 exemption, that's total 50,000. Then your tax due is 4,000. Paano pinocompute? 50,000 times 8%. Alright? Now proceed immediately to 14C, that's tax credits or payments. Alright? So in this case, mayroon tayong different items. Item number 57, prior year's excess credits. Like for example, mayroon kang overpayment or tax credits in 2020. So ilagay mo dito. Alright? So 58, tax payment for the first quarter. If ikaw talaga personal nagbayad, ilagay mo din dito. 59 and 60, actually, this is creditable tax withheld. Yung withhold ng company. So, ilagay mo dito for the first 3 quarters and then the last quarter, the fourth quarter, ilagay mo dito. In my case, kasi nga, I applied for 8%, so 0 yung tax na dinideduct. So, wala akong nilalagay dito. If in case mayroon, just put it here in your case. Alright, number 61, wala because we are not filing an amended return, as well as 62, 63, okay, and 64. Now, item number 65, this is net taxable taxable. Net taxable or babayaran mo na. Okay, your tax due mo is 4,000 pesos. Okay? Part 5, background information on spouse. Nag-fill up ka lang dito if you are filing with your spouse jointly your income tax return. But in my case, hindi. So, wala na tayong pipilapan dyan. Now, let's proceed to this one. Okay? So, part 2. Balik tayo sa part 2. As makikita ninyo, nagre-reflect na yung 4,000 na tax due natin or tax liability natin. Alright? So, 20, that's given. 21, that's given. And then, item number 22, that's given. Ito lang yung hindi given, item number 23. Like, for example, wala kang 4,000 today or on the 15th. So, pwede mo siya i-divide into 2 installments. Like, for example, bayaran mo yung 2,000, yung 50% on the 15th, on or before the 15th, and then the remaining 2,000 will be on or before October 15. Alright? So, mag-reflect na 2,000 na yung tax due mo as of the moment. Alright? So, ganyan. Then, wala naman tayong mga penalty and surcharges. If in case meron, ilagay nyo lang din dito. Alright? So, yan. Alright? So, that's if you have, if you have payment. What if meron kang tax credit? Okay, so ano ang mangyayari if you have tax credit? Like for example, pilapan natin itong prior year's excess credit. Like for example, in the year 2020, meron kang overpayment na 5,000. Kung kayang bayad mo. So, you can also reflect it here. Alright? So, kung makikita ninyo, originally from the 4,000 na tax due, meron ka ng tax credit. Okay? Or, para mas madali maintindihan, that's tax refund. Okay? Meaning, sumobra yung payment mo. So, anong gagawin mo sa 1,000? So, you go back to page 1. Ayan, okay? So, tanggalin na muna natin ito. Hindi tayo mag-insert kasi negative 1,000 naman. Alright? Para bumalik siya sa, para maging 1,000 negative siya. So, ngayon, if overpayment, mark 1 box on the choices is made. The same is irrevocable. So, mayroon tayong tatlong options. To be refunded, to be issued a tax credit certificate, or to be carried over as a tax credit for the next year or quarter. So in my case, parang mas applicable itong to be carried over as a tax credit for the next year kasi ito matagal. And then, di naman masyado magamit itong tax credit certificate. Okay, ito na lang. Para the next year, forward mo na lang siya. Alright. So, ganyan. So this time, ibalik natin sa dati nating computation. So that's 5,000. I remove natin ito. And then, go back to page 1 para mayroon talaga tayong babayaran. Alright? There you go. Okay? So, 2,000. Balik natin. 2,000. Yan. So, after that, you need to validate. Successful. You need to save. Again, make sure that before mo siya i-submit, make sure na tama yung lahat ng mga inputs mo dito. Okay? And then, after that, you can submit for final review. Okay? Make sure na strong yung internet connection natin dyan. Alright. So again, after you have submitted this one, you will receive a notification, a tax return notification. I-attach mo yan dito sa form. You can print the form in triplicate form and then attach your 2307, also your tax return notification in your email, and also your payment notification if you are paying it through or via GCash. Ayan, submit successful na. Okay. For other payment options, i-click nyo lang ito guys and then makikita nyo na kung ano yung mga other payment options ninyo na pwede nyong gawin. Alright? So usually, ano naman, GCash naman yung pinaka-popular na ginagamit natin. Ayan, so ito na yung mga payment options. We have Land Bank, DBP, AB Union, PesoNet. Alright, this time, i-check natin yung notification if andun na ba. So, as we can see here, meron ng notification. Ang bilis ng notification, guys. So, this is actually, you need to really check, okay, kung meron ng notification. Kasi this is actually our proof na na-receive nila, okay, yung ating online filing. So, we have a tax return receipt confirmation. Alright? So, ayan yung mga details, guys. Ayan, meron pang disclaimer. So, again, ito yung, ano mo guys, i-print mo, okay? And then i-attach mo sa form 1701A, alright? Together with your 2307 and the proof of payment, okay? The notification, the payment notification, be it GCash, okay, Paymaya, or other payment platforms, okay, na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, guys. Okay? So again, you have to print it as your, in triplicate copy, because you will be submitting this together with the other attachments in the form 1701A to the BIR. All right. So yeah. All right. So that's it, guys. So thank you for watching this video. I hope na kahit paano may natutunan kayo from this video, especially for those people na nagtuturo sa Engoo or mga ASL teachers. And then, of course, some YouTubers and also yung mga freelancers or even social media influencers. All right. So if you are new to this channel, guys, thank you. Just subscribe. Click that subscribe button if you like it. Just hit like, and then if you want to suggest or if you want to shout out, all right, if you want to ask something, feel free to use the comment box below. Okay? So, make sure ko naman na ma-answeran lahat yung mga tinatanong ninyo. Okay? From my previous videos, even sa mga current videos ko, talagang make sure ko na na-answeran ko kayo lahat. Hindi ko naman kaya answeran, sasabihin ko din naman. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Hope to see you again in my next video. Bye for now. See you soon.